Welcome to CallumConnects, 5-minute entrepreneurial inspiration for your day. Today on CallumConnects, we're joined by Nick Angelis. Nick has been a nurse anesthetist for 10 years and is the owner of Alleviant Health Centers of Akron, offering comprehensive mental health and non-opioid pain management.
A hurdle I face as an entrepreneur is explaining myself in a way that people could understand instead of a way that made me sound smart. So being a nurse anesthetist or CRNA, used to anesthesia and being in surgery, in healthcare, often we try to sound like we really know what we're talking about, like we're brilliant, like we're one step ahead of everyone else in our field. This isn't healthy or wise, and it's something that I've tried not to do, but still the habit remains. So since now I'm also in mental health, using ketamine infusions for PTSD, anxiety, depression, and neuropathic pain, I'd always had this inclination to explain it to the patient, but in a way that they would nod and smile and say, I get it, but they wouldn't really get it. And the same goes if I talk to a referring physician or a therapist. So I really had to simple it down so that I didn't sound patronizing, but the same way I'd use clear analogies that anyone could understand. And so I think that was one of the first hurdles of the key learning was people want to understand, people want to be at your level, and they may pretend that they are, but if they don't completely understand what you bring to the table or how you'll help them or how you will help their patients, then there's not going to be a real connection there. That there's no point in sounding smart, rather you need to sound useful, that you need to explain exactly what the process is, how people will benefit. And obviously this goes to many other areas of life, many other facets, rather than just explaining your business to someone. But that's, I think, the key takeaway, that even at the cost of professionalism, at the cost of that distance that sometimes those in healthcare try to create between them and their customers, that you really just need to find the simplest way that you can clearly explain what you do. And if it takes more than 10 or 15 seconds, then perhaps you need to rethink your product.
The biggest hurdle I faced was when the company my partner and I built from scratch came under attack and more than $250 million of value was destroyed. If you would like to learn more about that and how I came back from it, sign up at callumlane.com.